actually replacing 111 or 1111. If you've noticed, a lot of people are saying, I'm seeing 444 lately all the time. And what does that mean? It vibrates to the same frequency that is the one that the spiritual realm uses to slow down their energy and manifest into the physical. And by that, I mean not just the spiritual entities, but also what we're manifesting. So it is, the slowdown of these ideas, these higher vibrating thoughts and manifestations that we're putting out there, these intentions, they come through the four into the physical, because four is the most physical number. Four is the square and it's four sides. It's like a house foundation. And here on earth, it is like all material, all matter, supposedly, even though everything is truly energy, but we see it as matter because of that four vibration. So four is the most earthly, grounded, foundational, stable number, but it is the gateway between worlds. That's why we're seeing it as we're getting closer to this, what they call 5D energy, and it's the manifestation is speeding up. That is why we're seeing the 444s a lot, because our manifestation abilities are speeding up very rapidly right now.